Amazon sellers. This is Mariano Rivera. He was like the cleanup pitcher for the New York Yankees, Hall of Famer, absolutely awesome. And this is Declan Levine. Declan is an insanely awesome paralegal who's part of our team, and I want to tell you why I'm bringing up both of them. So we were brought on board for an Amazon seller who I hold in insanely high regard. I can't tell you her name, but she is absolutely awesome. And there was a SKU matching error, and Amazon said she caused the problem, and she said, no way, it wasn't me, I didn't do it. So she tried to resolve the issue on her own, couldn't do it, hired us. We developed a great rapport. I'm now like the head of her fan club. Declan got assigned the case, and guess what? Problem resolved, account and listings back on. So you know who you are if you're watching my videos. Thank you for trusting us. I appreciate the confidence every single Amazon seller puts into me and my team. So Declan, great job. You are our Mariano Rivera. And Amazon sellers, Amazon is not always right. You know this, and sometimes you just have to persuade Amazon to see it your way to get your accounts back and your listings back. Thank you for joining me for today's video. Please make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel so that you always get the updates, the latest information for Amazon sellers.